All right, everyone. So the day was filled with so many insightful sessions and enlightening discussions. Let's have a round of applause for all our industry leaders, speakers. And now it's like as the sun sets, it's time to shine some spotlight on the remarkable achievements. Without further ado, let's begin the 18th Data Center Awards 2024. Are you all excited? Yes? I know we had a long day, but now it's time to cheer and clap for the achievers. I will request our presenter to join us on stage. Please put your hands together, everyone, for Mr. Gitesh Mahajan from SIFI. A very warm welcome to you, sir. So the first category is capacity management, infrastructure management. And the first one is the recognition, which goes to Sarjak Container Lines Private Limited. Can we please have a huge round of applause for them? Congratulations. In this category, moving on to the winners, we have 3 winners, beginning with the first one. Please put your hands together for Ask Investment Managers Limited. Anyone from Ask Investment Managers? Okay, let's move on to the next winner, Geo Platforms. May I request Mr. Dhirendra Singh Kushwaha to join us on stage with a huge round of applause, everybody. Congratulations. Please put your hands together for our next winner. From Wallace Pharmaceuticals, I'll request Mr. Chandan Sharma to join us on stage. Can we have a round of applause, everybody? Congratulations. Next category is Comprehensive Outage Proof Management, Availability Management, and the winner is Raymond Limited. You all are not clapping. Come on, everyone. Where's the energy? Congratulations. Next category is Sustainable Power Management Solution of the Year 2024, Power Management, Energy Efficient Management, and the winner is Vertiv Energy Private Limited. Congratulations. Moving on to the next category, Data Security, Security Management. And the recognition goes to NDTV Profit. May I request Mr. Harmit Singh Malhotra to join us on stage. Next recognition in the same category goes to Arthan Finance. Do we have representatives of Arthan? Anyone from Arthan Finance? Let's move on to the next. Next recognition goes to Axis Mutual Fund. Mr. Bhagwati Prasad Dubey. Let's have a huge round of applause, everyone, for Axis Mutual Fund. Congratulations. Moving on to the winners. Please put your hands together for our first winner, Aegis Federal Life Insurance. Congratulations. Next winner is ACG World. May I request Mr. Swapnil Rajipawar to join us on stage with a huge round of applause, everybody. Only one person clapping. Come on, everybody. Thank you. And thank you, Mr. Gitesh, for being with us. Moving ahead, I will request our next presenter to join us on stage. Please put your hands together for Mr. Debashish Banerjee from Eton. We are continuing with the same category, data security management, and the next winner is Loyalty Rewards. Congratulations. Next winner in the same category is RPG Group. Congratulations. Next winner in the same category is Tata Digital Private Limited. Congratulations. Next category is Data Security, Data Center Management, and the winner is Aditya Birla Group. Please put your hands together for Mr. Hemal Patel. Moving ahead, the next category is Design Management, Infrastructure Management, and the recognition goes to Vodafone Idea Limited. Moving ahead in the same category, the winner is VVF Group. VVF Group, any representative? Congratulations. Can we please have a round of applause for them, everyone? Next one, the winner is Uber Group. Congratulations. Moving on to the next category, Green DC Initiative, and the winner is Inox Air Products. Congratulations. Next category is leading contributor in future-ready AI data center. And the winner is Vertiv Energy Private Limited. Congratulations. Next category is innovation, new initiatives, infrastructure management. And the recognition goes to Access Mutual Fund. Can we have a round of applause for them? Congratulations. In the same category, recognition goes to Anand Rathi Share and Stock Brokers Limited. Anyone from Anand Rathi? Okay, let's move ahead. In the same category, recognition goes to Kalpataru Group SSL Limited. Congratulations. Congratulations. Thank you so much, Debashish sir, for being with us. To present the next set of award, may I request Mr. Pushkar Rege from UPL to join us on stage. Welcome. In the same category, we are beginning with the winners now. Please put your hands together for Tech Mahindra. The next winner is Pay with Ring. Anyone from Pay with Ring? Let's move on to the next one. Please put your hands together for Morning Ring Star India Private Limited. Moving ahead, the next one goes to Reliance Power. Anyone from Reliance Power? Please put your hands together, everyone. Please put your hands together for our next winner, Ishan Technologies. Moving on to the next one, please put your hands together for our next winner, Aditya Birla Capital. Is it done? The next category is New Initiatives Infrastructure Management, and the recognition goes to Uber Group. Congratulations. Congratulations. Next category is Physical Security, and the winner is HDFC Bank Limited. Congratulations. Next category is Risk Management, and the winner is Geo Platforms Limited. Next category is Risk Management, Availability Management, and the winner is Persistent Systems. Please put your hands together for Mr. Avinash Dharmadhikari. Can we have a round of applause, everybody? Congratulations. Next category is Smart DC Management Automation, and the recognition goes to Hindustan Platinum Private Limited. Congratulations. Moving on to the next one, the winner is Aquafarm Chemicals Private Limited. Aquafarm. Moving ahead, the next winner is HDFC Bank Limited. In the next category, Smart DC Management, the winner is Eaton Power Quality Private Limited. Can we have a round of applause, everybody? Congratulations. Next category is IT Leader of the Year 2024, and the winner is Godrej Invoice Limited. Please put your hands together, Mr. Ajit Avsare. Congratulations. Moving on to the next winner of IT Leader of the Year 2024. Please put your hands together for Mr. Jagat Ram from Larsen & Toubro. Moving ahead, the next category is Power Management, Energy Efficient Management, and the winner is Delta Electronics India Data Center Segment Business Unit. Congratulations. Next category is Green Initiatives for the year 2024, and the winner is Control S Data Centers Limited. Next one is the Best Use of AI in Data Center and Operations Excellence Award. And this one, the winner is Sifi Technologies Limited. Congratulations. Next category is Green DC Initiatives and the winner is CommScope. Congratulations. Next one is the Best Transformative Data Center Technology Leader, and the winner is Dr. Jitendra Panchal from CDSL. Congratulations. Congratulations. Next category is the AI Future Ready Data Center Cooling Award for the Design and Innovation 2023, and the winner is Vertiv Energy Private Limited. Moving ahead, the next one is the Best RE Solutions Firm for Data Centers, and the winner is Radiance Renewable Private Limited. Congratulations. Next one is the Best Data Center Service Provider, and the winner is Mega Network Private Limited. Congratulations. Next one is the leading player in data center solutions provider, and the winner is Ola Tech Solutions Limited. Congratulations. Next one is the Best Data Center Automation Solution Provider, and the winner is Mitsubishi Electric India. Well, thank you, Mr. Pushkar, for being with us. Thanks a lot. And to present the next set of award, may I request Mr. Ravi from Delta to join us on the stage. Beginning with the CIO of the Year 2024, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mr. Rahul Sharma from Tata Projects. Moving ahead, the next winner. Moving ahead, the next winner is Mr. Anand Tomar from McDonald's India. The next winner is Mr. Pushkar Rege from UPL Limited. Congratulations. Please put your hands together, everyone, for our next winner, Mr. Sugata Basu from Kalpataru Group. Mr. Sugata Basu. Is he here? Okay, let's move on to the CTO of the year 2024. Please put your hands together for Mr. Kunal Dhingra from RBL Bank. All right. Please put your hands together for our next winner, Mr. Amit Mahajan from CDSL. Thank you so much, Ravi sir. Thanks for being with us. Is there anyone who's left? I've taken the names of many, but there were few not available. So is there anyone right now has come? All right. So with this, ladies and gentlemen, we conclude our 18th edition of Data Center Summit and Awards 2024. Thank you so much for being such a wonderful audience. And with this, Anchor Mayuri Malankar signing off. Thank you.